This quick guide will teach you how to link Chase to Chime. Whether you're looking to streamline your finances or simply make transfers between accounts a breeze, linking your Chase bank account to Chime is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can easily connect the two. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your Chime account before proceeding. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can download it from the App Store on your smartphone and create an account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the home screen of the app. Now, from the home screen, scroll down until you see the option to connect your accounts. This option is typically easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, just keep an eye out for anything related to linking or connecting accounts. Tap on this option when you find it. Next, you will see an option to link an external account. Tap on this and then select the option for a bank account. After that, hit continue to proceed to the next step. This will guide you to a list of banks and financial institutions that you can link to your Chime account. In the search bar, type in Chase and select it from the list that appears. This will prompt you to log in with your Chase username and password. It's important to ensure that your login credentials are correct and up to date to avoid any issues. This step will securely connect your Chase account with Chime, so rest assured that your information is protected. Depending on the security settings of your Chase account, you may be required to complete additional verification steps. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email or answering security questions. Make sure to complete these steps as instructed to finalize the connection between the two accounts. Once you've completed any required verification, your Chase account will be successfully linked to Chime. You'll now be able to make transfers and manage your finances more efficiently between these two accounts. And there you have it. That's how you link Chase to Chime. Thanks for following along with this quick tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it made linking your accounts a seamless experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.